Okay, so after that installation, list of the RPM packages finish, you just need to accept the license, and the screen you just click on finish. The system will reboot and you will get the login screen. See here, we are getting the login screen, so we'll log in with non-listed user, that is root, and enter the password. Okay, this is the first time login to the virtual machine which we have created on top of our Windows 10 personal computer or personal laptop by using VMware workstation, that is on-host supervisor. So when we first time log into the Red Hat Enterprise Linux system, it will give us the common task, which is use Windows and workspaces, switch task, respond to the messages or something like that. So I'm canceling it. Okay, so this is very first time log into the machine. So our machine is up and ready now, so we can have all the options here. So basic thing is terminal. So on the terminal we are having root at the rate, so host name is Kiran, which we have specified. So host name hyphen I, if config hyphen e, if config hyphen e will give us the network configuration. This is dynamically set IP address. We can set our own also. So we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Friends. Thanks for watching, friends. So our server is up and ready now, and we have created Red Hat VM3. So now we can power on, power off. We can do anything with our server. So server 3. So we can power off it from here also. Okay, so we can reboot it from here also, or from here go to the power and you will get shutdown gate, suspend gate, restart gate options, and power off, suspend. So from here also you can do your operation. So see how amazing thing, what amazing thing we did here. So we are having our we are having our Windows 10 system up and running. On top of that, we have installed our VMware workstation, and on top of VMware workstation, that is on-host hypervisor, we are having our Red Hat VM up and running now. So simultaneously, we are using Windows as well as Red Hat Linux. So if you are not using it, just power it off. So I'm power off. So it will get powered off, and your resources will get freed up. So thanks for watching. We'll be coming with other series of amazing videos after this. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you very much. So this machine is powered off now. We can power on if we want, whenever we need. So thanks a lot.